Passive income, the phrase that launched 1,000 YouTube ads. You've heard it all before. Make money while you sleep. Escape the 9 to 5. All you need is Wi-Fi and a dream. But is it really that easy? Or are we all being sold a fantasy? In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on passive income. What actually works, what's wildly overhyped, and why the truth is a lot less glamorous, but way more useful than the gurus let on. Why is everyone obsessed with passive income? The idea of passive income isn't new. In fact, it's been around for centuries. Landowners in ancient Rome collected rent. Authors in the 1800s earned royalties. The modern obsession kicked off in the 1980s with books like Cash Flow Quadrant and The Millionaire Next Door. Today, it's a cornerstone of the FIRE movement. Financial freedom isn't just about saving, it's about building income streams that work while you don't. But here's the catch. Most passive income isn't actually passive. Number one, passive income requires upfront work. You can't skip this part. Whether it's writing a book, building an online course, or buying a rental property, every passive income stream starts with a serious investment of time, money, or both. Take YouTube channels. Even faceless channels like this one require writing, editing, uploading, SEO, thumbnails, and consistency. The income may become passive later, but up front, it's sweat equity. Same goes for real estate. You don't just buy a duplex and start collecting checks. You screen tenants, deal with plumbing issues, navigate local laws, and if you're doing it right, set up systems for long-term growth. In the same way that a farmer doesn't eat the day they plant, you don't collect until after the work is done. Number two, passive income isn't truly passive, it's leveraged. Most so-called passive income is really just leveraged income. You're leveraging systems, capital, code, or content to separate your time from your money. Dividend investing? You had to earn and invest capital first. Rental income? You had to buy, manage, and possibly renovate property. Even digital products require branding, marketing, and customer support. The term passive can be misleading. Leveraged is more honest and more empowering. Because once you understand you're not escaping work, you're front-loading it, you can plan accordingly and build smarter. Number three, most gurus sell you the dream they haven't built. Let's be honest. A lot of people teaching passive income are making their money selling the idea of passive income. They earn not from real estate or affiliate commissions, but from online courses, ebooks, and webinars on how to earn passive income. In other words, they're selling you the map while pretending they live in the treasure. This isn't new. During the California gold rush, most miners didn't strike gold. But the people who sold the picks and shovels, they are the ones who got rich. Today, picks and shovels are info products and paid newsletters. There's nothing wrong with selling education if it's based on experience. But be cautious. Ask, are they walking the walk or just filming it? Number four, true passive income is boring and slow. Want real passive income? Start a retirement account. Invest in low-cost index funds. Let compound interest do its thing. It's not flashy, but it's one of the only passive income sources backed by math. Someone who maxes out a Roth IRA from age 25 to 45 and leaves it alone can potentially retire a millionaire, even if they never contribute again. Why doesn't this go viral? Because it takes years, not weeks. No Lamborghinis, just boring, consistent wealth building. But boring works. Number five, the hybrid model is where the magic happens. The best strategy isn't to go all in on passive, it's to build semi-passive systems. These are projects that take effort up front, but require less over time. Think a blog with evergreen content that generates ad and affiliate revenue, a YouTube channel with 100 monetized videos, a digital course that needs an annual update. Even vending machines or laundromats can become semi-passive with the right setup. These streams still require work, but they scale, they compound, and they create margin in your life to do more of what you want. Number six, you still need a strategy. Passive income doesn't mean random income. You need a roadmap. Start by listing your skills and assets. Do you write, film, code, teach? Do you own a car or a camera or a rental space? Then look at proven channels. Investing in things like stocks or index funds? Real estate avenues like rentals and or Airbnbs, digital content on YouTube, podcasts, or blogs, e-commerce stores that print on demand or do drop shipping, licensing your music, photos, and designs. Pick one. Commit to it for 6 to 12 months. Document the process. Treat it like a job until it becomes a stream. In closing, passive income is possible, but it is not magical. So is passive income real? Yes, but it's not automatic, instant, or effortless. It's a strategy, a shift from earning through labor to earning through leverage. The gurus will tell you it's easy. I'm telling you it's worth it, but only if you treat it like a real business. Start small, stay consistent, expect it to take time, but trust that with the right moves, you'll wake up one day to deposits that hit while you were still asleep. And that's the real dream. If you've built or are building a passive income stream, drop it in the comments. I want to hear what you're working on. Like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who thinks passive income means lying on a beach forever. We're building freedom, not fantasy. See you in the next one.